So my advice would be to find yourself some good native soil so you could plant right into the ground. Just pick strong genetics, something that will do good outside. You're not gonna have control over your environment inside of one of these hothouses. So make sure you pick a nice, strong genetic that'll do well outside, that also finishes early. That way you don't run into issues. I highly suggest to control your canopy. Make sure to keep your canopy nice, short, and bushy. The more tops you have, the more canopy you're gonna get. If you see dirt, you're losing money. Really, man, just try to pick those earlier strains so you're not in the ground for so long. Stay up on your IPM, make sure to clean your plants. When you're in veg, make sure you spray your plants a couple times a week with either plant therapy or a nice organic spray to keep the bugs from coming in and bugging and messing with your canopies. So this greenhouse behind me is ready to flip. We're gonna go ahead and go through one more time, top them and add trellis, add our Panda plastic, and then we'll start flipping them from 4 a.m., 5 a.m. to 9 a.m. We'll pull the plastic off and let them get fresh air and fresh light maybe. So in 8 weeks, this greenhouse will be 8 to 9 weeks, we'll be able to harvest this greenhouse. Our goal here is for the next 8 weeks is to pull that Panda plastic over every single day from 4:30 a.m. to 9 a.m. to shift them into 12 hours of light to make them go into flower. We're gonna trick them into going into flower with the blackout tarps. So our goal on weight-wise out of this greenhouse, last year my goal was 50 pounds a house. This year, my goal is 60 to 80 pounds a house. I feel like I learned my hoops a little bit more than the previous year, last year, and I feel like I could bump those numbers up. But out of this 12 by 80, I'm confident I'm gonna be pulling 60-pound hoops. On the heavier plants, the ones that produce more, I definitely think we're gonna hit the 70 to 80-pound mark. That's why it's really important to choose the right genetics. The more exotic genetics aren't gonna give you those high yields. And make sure you pick something that has high crystals. You want a lot of crystals. So when your product hits the bag, it has some appeal, it has some bag appeal. Guys, so make sure you're picking some stuff that throws down some resin rails. Don't be shy. So that's our goal here. Make sure you have a nice full hedge. You're not seeing dirt walkways. You want to fill your canopy in, fill that in till it looks like a nice full hedge, and that's how you're gonna get your yields up. All right, folks, if you have any questions, make sure to leave a comment. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. All right, folks, everybody have a good day.